What's up, guys? Time check 1 pm. This is a very impromptu vlog. Actually, I had scheduled an interview with a guest for my podcast channel today, but due to some reasons, it could not work out, and hence I decided why not make a vlog and utilize this day. Right now, I'm in Triplicane, Chennai, which is very close to the sea coast, and I plan to go to T Nagar first. But first things first, I need to feed my tummy. And guys, as you can see, I've come to Sarvana Bhavan. And since the time has crossed lunchtime, I cannot get idli, vada, or dosa. So I've ordered a South Indian thali, which cost me 175 bucks. And let's see what comes. So guys, we've got the thali, and let's see what all is there.
The South Indian thali is for rice, vada, pineapple pudding, sweet, pineapple rasam, chapati ka kurma, ये सांबर, पोरियल मतलब vegetable, dry vegetable, the avial, kuttu, and this one vatta korambu, curd, dal powder and ghee, chapati, appalam, appalam papad.
Alright, guys, now let us head to T Nagar. And this blue metro line is actually underground. Hence, I'm descending to the train now. Okay, guys, so I've reached Government Estate Metro Station and we are heading to Tenampet, which is on the border of T Nagar. There's one interesting thing that I want to tell you that at every metro station here, they have got a scanner. If you scan it and pay online, you get a discount of 10% on every single ticket. Let's go. Now let's see what T Nagar has got for us. As you guys can see, I've come to Decathlon, and let me tell you one thing, I am sweaty. I'm a person who seldom gets sweaty, but Chennai weather does that to you, even when I'm in the mid of November here. So, guys, I've reached Fondi Bazaar, T Nagar, Chennai, and look at the size of this footpath. It is almost equal to that of the roads, so it is quite a wide road to walk through. And let's see what else we see here. So guys, I just asked a localite and got to know that we are in Fondi Bazaar, but the cream or the actual shops of Fondi Bazaar do start after the petrol pump. So I'll show you guys around there as well. So you can see we have reached HP petrol pump. This is where the shops start from. And guys, we can call this spoiled kids road because you can see all the branded shops are there in one line. We've got Skechers, we've got Woodland here. It just keeps on going like that. Let us continue the tour of the main T Nagar. And there you go, we've got the famous A to B, beside which we've got Van Hussein and US Polo as well. So, as I said, spoiled kids road. Alright, guys, this road just doesn't seem to end, but now I've got to take you to the tower at Marina Beach. Hence, we'll have to leave in time so that we can catch the sunset at 5:45 p.m. So, I'll take a U-turn and go back to Teyampet metro station. Alright, guys, we are now on our way back to Teyampet metro station. What I have gathered from all the local conversations is that Fundi Bazaar is a bazaar where you can get A to Z everything, from branded things to local things, everything you can get. One person told me that it is especially famous for clothing for women. And one more thing I noticed here is that the public here are really camera shy. So I've asked 4 to 5 times to people. As soon as I take out my camera, they just stop talking. They just shy away and say that no camera, please. So then I gathered all the information I could from these conversations, and this is what we've got. So let's exit Fundi Bazaar and T Nagar, and finally, I'll show you guys the sunset. Alright, guys, so I am at the Marina Beach, and today I had decided to go to the lighthouse, the Madras lighthouse, which is a never miss in Chennai place. But alas, we have run out of luck. It is closed because of civil maintenance works. But anytime if you are visiting Chennai, do not miss the lighthouse and its views of the Marina Beach. Let me show you the timings. Anyway, we will just explore the Marina Beach by its beach side, and tell you something about Marina Beach. It is the second longest urban beach in the world. Let's explore, guys. I started walking from there and just look at the seashore. I still have a couple of meters to reach the sea. So, indeed, it is a very long beach. And guys, as this is one of the east coasts of Bharat, we cannot see the sunset over the horizon because that is the west and there's the sun. Let's see what else do we find on this beach. As is customary to every beach, we've got chart items here, and surprisingly we've got some vegetables here and corn chart. It is quite crowded today because I've come on a Sunday, There is some rifle shooting here. Games for kids. There is one more special thing that I found here. There's a ramp, as you can see behind me, and this ramp is especially for handicapped people, so they can come till the shore and enjoy the sea. Look at this ramp. It goes all the way to the road, I guess. As you guys can see, we have got these stalls where they actually make pakodas of this, fried pakodas, and we can have it by the seashore. I saw that there are a lot of boats in the seashore where public can actually sit. It's not one, there are loads of such ships all scattered over the shore. And I realized these are actually fishermen's boats in all working condition. Have a look. Let us end this vlog with a beautiful view of the sunset over the city.